In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D logo animation effect in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I've imported this logo into DaVinci Resolve. The first thing you need to do is to come down here and select the Fusion tab. Next, hold down Ctrl and Space and search for Image Plane 3D and select it and click Add and hold down Ctrl and Space once more and search for Duplicate 3D and select it and select Add once more. Next, go over to Inspector and change the last copies to 100 and change the value for Z offset to 0.002. Next, hold down Ctrl and Space once more and search for Transform 3D effect and select it and select Add. Next, select the right dot right under Transform 3D. Next, come over to Rotation over here and toggle on the keyframe next to Y value. Next, move your keyframe from the start towards the end of your clip over here. Next, move the time indicator forward and increase the Y value to 360. Next, hold down Ctrl and Space once more and search for Render 3D and select it and add it once more. Next, select your Render 3D over here and connect the node to Media Out. And that's it guys on how to create this 3D logo animation effect in DaVinci Resolve.